Cooking dinner for someone special, be it a romantic date night or a festive holiday celebration, is a wonderful way to show your love and appreciation. Not only does it allow you to create a delicious meal together, but it also provides an opportunity to spend some quality time and create lasting memories. Tonight we're making the perfect entree for special occasions, chicken cordon bleu with a cognac cream sauce. Chicken cordon bleu is a classic French dish that is loved for its decadent flavors and sophisticated appearance. The combination of tender chicken, sweet ham, zesty Swiss cheese, and savory cream sauce is absolute heaven for your senses. We'll take boneless, skinless chicken breast, slice it in half, and pound it flat, and we'll roll it with Black Forest ham, imported Swiss cheese, and spinach leaves. And then we'll coat it with seasoned breadcrumbs and pan-sear and extra virgin olive oil before we finish it off in the oven. We'll slice it up and top it with a sauce made from butter, shallots, cognac, chicken stock, and heavy whipping cream. And we'll serve it with a chilled glass of white wine. So turn on some music and light those candles. We're making chicken cordon bleu in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Chicken cordon bleu, the decadent entree that's perfect for special occasions. Tender and juicy chicken breast with sweet Black Forest ham, zesty Swiss cheese, and a savory cream sauce made from butter, shallots, port wine, and heavy cream. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is: for the chicken, 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 6 ounces of sliced Black Forest ham, 6 ounces of sliced Swiss cheese, and a layer of spinach leaves for color. 2 eggs, a half a cup of flour seasoned with salt, pepper, and paprika, a half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper. For the sauce, we'll need 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 chopped shallots, 4 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 ounces of cognac or brandy or port wine, a cup of chicken stock, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 ounces of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. And for the garnish, we'll need some chopped parsley and paprika. To get started, we'll need to slice the chicken breast in half. Place the sliced chicken breast onto a cutting board with plastic wrap over it and use a meat mallet to gently flatten the chicken. Season with salt and pepper, and then add a layer of the ham. Add a layer of the spinach next. Traditional chicken cordon bleu doesn't have spinach in it. This is optional, but we wanted some additional color in the slices, so we're adding in the spinach. This is also called chicken Florentine by other chefs. Add a layer of the Swiss cheese. Then roll it up as tightly as possible. Now this might take a few tries to get the hang of it. Wrap the plastic wrap over the chicken. Hold both ends of the plastic wrap and roll it across your cutting board. This will help to get the chicken into the proper shape. Then place the wrapped chickens onto a plate and place them into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to an hour. This step is necessary to ensure that the chicken cordon bleu holds its shape. Put the rolled chicken into the flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Once you have them coated thoroughly, it's best to put the chickens back into the refrigerator for another 30 minutes if you have time. This will help to ensure that the breadcrumbs are set. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Pour the olive oil into the nonstick pan and turn the heat to medium-low. Then place the coated chicken into the oil and pan sear for 2 minutes on each side. Place the pan-seared chickens onto a cookie sheet with parchment paper and cook for 15 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. While the chicken is in the oven, we'll begin to make our sauce. Add in 4 pieces of butter, the shallots and mushrooms, season with salt and pepper, and saute for 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Add the garlic and cook for only a minute. Then add in the port wine. Turn the heat up to high and add the chicken stock, lemon juice, and heavy cream. Add in some chopped parsley and whisk in a little of the cornstarch until you reach the desired thickness. Turn off the heat and stir in a few pieces of butter. When you remove the chicken from the oven, allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes before you slice it. As you slice the chicken cordon bleu, you'll see why this is such a beautiful presentation. Look at all those swirls. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, chicken cordon bleu with port wine cream sauce. Tender, juicy chicken breast, rolled with sweet black forest ham, zesty Swiss cheese, and a savory sauce made from butter, shallots, mushrooms, port wine, and heavy cream. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.